Money face, man. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. You already know what I need you to do. I need you to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for your boy. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Do all that good stuff. Check out the links in the description below. Follow me on the social media platforms. All that good stuff, you guys. Today, man, we are jumping right into the video. We got a lot of stuff going on. Let me not speak too soon, but sometimes it doesn't go the way we plan it to be. But at the end of the day, you guys, we are here at Chris's, man, and what we got here is the 05 Chevy Malibu, you guys. Of course, you can see the color is burgundy, and what we're doing on this thing is we're actually changing out the caliper, and we're doing a front brakes and rotors on it. So if you guys been paying attention to the vlog, I had some issues after we picked up the car. There was obviously a misfire, but then there was like a weird shake once the car heated up. So we're starting with the front brakes and rotors. The left front caliper was what was it? It was basically sticking, so then it was making the wheel hot. So we knew it was going to be the caliper, but then once you change that, then we knew the brakes and the rotors the rotors were going to be warped on that side. So it's like, do one side or just do them both. Of course, you want to do the right thing, doing both. That way, you don't even got to worry about it. You don't got to pay for labor or nothing twice. Just, you know, don't be cheap, man. Do what you got to do, you guys. Anyways, I'm showing you guys this interior for the new people that are here to the channel. Actually, the door is locked on this side, so let me go on this side. Doom, 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 doom. So here's the interior, you guys. Can't wait to get this thing finally posted, man. Because I am sick and tired of looking at it, man. Both of my Malibus are getting on my nerves. Not even gonna lie to you. I'm actually getting ready to take the gold Malibu, which is outside. You guys didn't even know, man. I got the transmission. The transmission has been replaced on it. So we're good there. I actually had to bring that back because we needed to just kind of verify everything. So that's getting picked up today, right now. He had to actually, I'm not even gonna get into all that, you guys. What we got going on, man. Picking up the Malibu. Here's a gold one. Started up. You guys can hear. How you doing? You guys can hear how loud the actual exhaust is. We getting ready to get that taken care of. I'm dropping that off. Yeah, you hear how loud that is, man. So that's the exhaust is loud because they had to cut into it when they did the transmission job. Basically, from what he told me, somebody had already welded it, so they couldn't just, like, I guess, unbolt it or whatever, how the heck you described it. So they had to cut through it, so now we got to get that taken care of. So got a couple pieces that we're going to be returning, getting my money back on, that I'm going to be returning to AutoZone. And yeah, so I got my son with me today, man. We got the bad one with him. No, I ain't gonna call him bad, man. He's a good guy. But we got the middle one with us today, man. Aiden's in here. Let's see if he gonna talk to you. What's up, man? Say what's up to you too, man. Yeah, I told y'all this dude's bad. Just beat him up. He said he was sick, but he's not really sick. He over here eating Doritos. What you doing, man?
Watching YouTube.
Watching YouTube? You not watching us? Shaking my head, man. All right, we're gonna leave. We gotta go get on this road, you guys. We gotta go pick up the G6. I'm swapping that back with this. Too many cars coming back. The handle ended up messing up on the G6, y'all. So he gotta adjust that so we can finally get that thing posted. This is craziness going on, but let's just get to it, man. We're gonna keep it moving and grooving like always. Stay on a positive note and try to get some money, man. Let's get it.
Woo! Sheesh! Taking over, taking off. I'm smashing like you got the smash. Woo, woo, woo! I'm up, 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 I'm up. We up, we up. I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up. I'm up, I'm up. We up. When we come through, we got a blue, yeah, we up.
Okay, y'all, so we at the storage, man. We changing up the plans. I don't know what's up with this door handle, man, but now it's working, so I'm hopping in the GMC. I'm gonna have Chris do the final touches on it, but as you can see, man, door handle is now working. At first it wasn't. So I've messed around with that for at least 5 minutes. Nah, I lied. I exaggerate, like 2 minutes. But I messed with it for like 2 minutes. And it seems to be cool, man. So anyways, man, this is what we got out here now. A lot of stuff has been sold at Santa Fe. I'm dreading on getting to that, but we need to get to that soon. I'm actually probably gonna have this thing towed to Bryant's, have him knock that out or something. I don't know yet, man. This Yukon here, still waiting on him to install the cluster that was rebuilt. He's gonna do the exhaust there. But yeah, so basically right now, y'all know me, I'm famous for repoing work. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm taking the white one, and basically anybody that can get to it first is gonna get the job. So I'm not waiting on nobody. Sun's up in the Denali right there, looking all pretty up in there. For sure, man. This thing is most definitely, this is why this thing needs to get done, man. So do these finishing touches, and then we're gonna keep it moving and grooving. I don't know what else other stuff we really got to do today, but we're gonna see, man. So let's just keep it going. If worst case scenario, man, I'll see y'all tomorrow, but let's just try to new day, y'all. Another day, another dollar, man. We got the parts back there. I got parts for this van. I'm doing front brakes and rotors on here, which is the first time I ever had to do any brakes or rotors on this car. It started grinding the other day. So doing that, and then on that Ion that got diagnosed yesterday, needs front sway bar links and front brakes and rotors. So getting those done today, but the van for sure gonna get done today. Right now, you guys, I'm on my way, man. Moving and grooving on our way to go pick up the Oldsmobile Intrigue from where are we going? The old, not the old storage, the new storage. And I'm going to bring that to the office, and we're going to get that thing sold, man. So my object of today is to get a money face. I also have a potential customer tonight or this evening for the Scion TC, man. So hopefully we can get 2 cars sold today. That would be really nice to, you know, have a little blue faces in the left hand pocket secured and everything. So that would most definitely make me feel a lot better, because it's really been a slow little past couple of weeks, man. So we're gonna get to it, man. Let's get to it, man. Okay, y'all, so we are here at the lot, man, and what do you see out there, man? You see the Intrigue is washed, cleaned up and everything, so I already picked it up and everything. Oh, don't forget about my custom little piece right there, Major Motors Automotive Group. If you guys didn't know, that's my business name. And so anyways, I just got the thing washed up, and I'm waiting on the people. They're about an hour late right now. So they messaged me and told me they're gonna be another 30 minutes. They had to stop and get gas. So hopefully they buy this car. That would be really, really nice, like I said before. Now we can get this weekend really started. So I'm gonna wait on them, man. I got a couple more things to do. As y'all can see, man, moving and grooving like always. Got the computer for YouTube, and then I got the computer over here for the business and everything. So I'm knocking out as much as I can right now while I'm waiting on them, trying to be proactive. So hopefully we can get ahead of the game, you know, and then, you know, we'll have a really, really nice weekend. So that'll be dope, man. Also, man, I wanted to ask you guys some not ask you any questions, but I want you guys to do, if you have any questions or you got any like video ideas that you want me to do for you guys. It's slow season right now, so I might be able to do like a couple of how-to videos. So I want to plan them out. So if you guys comment below, for especially the new people that want to know things and the people that are like new in the game or just trying to figure out things, comment below, ask your questions. You can ask as many as you want. I'm not going to reply to them right then and there, because I'm going to like go through the videos, not the videos, my bad, the comments, and see what videos I want to make out of it, or if I get any good ideas. If it's some comments that I don't feel like it'd be a good video, don't get mad. I don't want to do a video on it. You know what I mean? So all I'm trying to do is just kind of brainstorm, get you guys what you want. So let's try to figure this out together. I'm gonna go from there, but I will see you guys in a second. Potential customers are here, y'all, and I usually got a good feeling when somebody's gonna buy a car. I think they're gonna buy the car, man. So they pulled up in the Buick right there, you guys. So people that drive Buicks like to stay with Buicks, man. Hopefully not even gonna hopefully, man. We're gonna get us the money face, man. They were really, I don't know how to explain it, man. When people get out of their car and they're ready to hop in the car, and they already made up their mind that they want the car. So those are like the easiest sales. When people get out the car, like kind of slow, lollygagging, just looking, you just kind of know like, oh, they may or may not. So I think this one, 90% sold, man. Let's see what happens. Money face, man. It's been a long, long time, man, but he's in there getting ready to get up out of there. So I'm happy about that. Of course I'm happy about that, man. We got the blue faces secured in the left-hand pocket, man. Can't believe this. This is my second car sold this month. It's been terrible. So, anyways, man, which is cool because I got somebody else that want to come out and look at the Scion right now, and then another person that's lined up. So we might actually sell 2 cars today, which would be dope. People going crazy about the G6 too. So who knows, man? I'm trying to get this money. Most definitely, I'm trying to get into the positive. We already in a positive for the month. What am I talking about? Let's get it, y'all. All right, I'll see y'all in a second. So the potential customer for the Scion is out there. The first one, at least. The daughter doesn't seem to really like it, so but we'll see what happens. You never know, man. People buy it when you don't think they're gonna buy it or whatever. But I do got somebody that's like beyond interested in it. So we will. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get this thing sold today, man. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let's get it. No money face, y'all, but I don't care, man. Hopefully this dude hits me up, man. The dude that said he was coming out and buys this car. Otherwise, it's tight. But the girl, she actually liked the car a lot, but they just wanted to kind of think on it. So they said if they don't, if the people that's coming now don't buy the car, to call them back or whatever, I'll probably not message them. I don't know. Maybe I will. Who knows? But we'll see what ends up happening, man. Hopefully we can get a blue face, most definitely. Otherwise, it'll be tomorrow when we get one for sure. But anyways, man, getting to it. Got a little door that just came in. This is for Twan's Ford Fusion. So, yeah, man. Now I got to go take some more pictures of this car, man. Of a different car, actually. I'm gonna take better pictures of that Chevy Avalanche, y'all, and get that thing posted again, because I only had a couple of hits and I'm trying to get all my money off that joint. So we shall see, man. The second group of people have arrived, you guys, so let's see what happens. They're out there checking it out now, so let's see, man. Hopefully we can get this thing going, man, because I'm ready to go home. Well, you guys, that's a wrap. I did not get the Scion sold today, but I'm not tripping on it, you guys, at all. I believe that we're gonna get a couple cars sold this weekend. I am back where we started, picking up my van, getting ready to, actually I'm getting ready to get my parts put on my car. So I'm not gonna bring you guys along with me because your boy's tired, man. But I will see you guys on the next video, man. Like always, I do appreciate you guys for rocking with me. If you're new to the channel, old to the channel, you already know what to do, man. Do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. All that does is help me out, man. All it does is help me. It's free. If you're not hitting the thumbs up button, then you might be hating. I'm just gonna say that. So, but anyways, man, y'all know I rock with you, man. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.